Hi Kane, this is just a screencast to help us do the same for every unit in the Key Stage 3, Year 7 and Year 8 pages. So what I really want to do is show you how to enter in keyword tests and Quizlets. So the next unit we're going to do, so I'll do this one for you. Well, this is the current unit here, 7G particle model. And here it is. So what I want to insert here is a Quizlet. One of these, which is keywords and definitions, and then not that at all. Actually, I'm going to start from scratch here. I'll just delete this. So first of all, what I want here is a Quizlet. Then what I want is the keyword matchup exercise. And then what I want is the keyword test and keyword test with answers. Okay, so first of all we need to go and get the keywords which are in OneNote. So I'm going to open up OneNote. I'm going to go Key Stage 3, back one. I'm going to go to core topics, back one again, Year 8, back one again, Year 7 core topics, hang on, where were we? Particle model. Okay, so here we go, intro, we're looking for assessment keyword activities. Right, so unscramble the mixed sheet. So is this it? No, because that's the keywords and the answers actually. So what I'll do, I'll copy all of this, copy, and then I'm going to go to Quizlet. As what I did earlier, I'm going to create a new study set. So this is going to be called 7G keywords particles keywords. Okay, so an import, and I'm just going to copy and paste all those keywords, and I'm just going to go down and make sure there's a definition and a term for each one. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, then I need to go create, choose a language, English, create. Okay, copy that link. I'm going to add it to my Year 7 folder, and I'm going to go back to there. I'm going to copy that link in and make that open up in a new page. Okay, so there, I need to find the matchup exercise now, which is somewhere in here. Can't find it immediately. So unscramble the keyword and mixed definition sheet. So where is that? It's not open here, is it? We're not going to open. Ah. here we go. So here's the keywords and mixed definition sheet. So what I'm going to do is just delete all of that. Delete. File. Save as somewhere on my computer. Okay, I'll go back to particle model, and there's file, select files, and I'll go back to the place I saved it in, mixed up, add file. Okay, here we go. So that's there. I'll change that to collapsible, and I'll just name it matchup test. Okay. Next, I want the same document, so I'm just going to undo all of that I just did. Yeah. And I'm going to delete everything apart from the bottom one. Okay, so now we've got a harder test, so save as test. Boom. Okay, and then I'll go back here, boom, boom, file, select, test. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Come on. It's gone. Right, do it again. Test. Keep both. There we go. Okay, add it. Same thing, style, collapsible, and then keyword test. Bang. Okay, so that will go down. Then what I want here, underneath here, is keyword test with answers. So go back to my folder. I'll just undo. And there they are at the top there. So I'll just delete all of that. So that's the answers basically. I'll save as. Answers. Okay, bang. And go back here, file, select files from computer, answers. Come on, where have you gone? Where are you? It's done it again. Okay, keep both. There you go. Add file. Hunky dory. And it's all there. Styles, collapsible. Okay, and then we'll call it answers. Okay, but I need to say kids can't get into this one. Right, set file permissions. All students, I do not want all students to see this. Okay. Done. That's collapsible. I made that collapsible earlier. Yeah. Okay, so it's done. So hopefully should look like that. Quizlet test, a match-up exercise, a keyword test, and then the answers all down there. Okay, so if you could do that for every single year 7 and year 8 unit, that would be absolutely amazing. And the order is in the Science Faculty Planner. 7G particles, so forces, acids and alkalis, environment and ecology, chemical reactions, cells and reproduction and energy. And then year 8, same thing, just go along all the way. I've done light and sound. Yes, I have done light and sound. Food and digestion, heating and cooling, compounds, mixtures, respiration, microbes and disease. Job done.